I don't have that much time. I honestly don't even know if I'm going to finish the second phase, but I want you to stay with me. Encourage me here. Subscribe to this particular channel. It has become my journal, literally. Morning, I get to lose about 700 calories. Good morning, guys. I do not know which day it is, but I am just back from my 10-kilometer run and it feels so good. It's the first time I'm running since the month of April began, which is awful because we are already in the middle. Today is day 14. Actually, today is 14th, not day 14. Today is 14th of April, and wow, I don't know which day of this second half it is. I couldn't run. I had school going and it's exam season and also work, and when you combine all that, my brain could not handle the running, so I had to give up running for about 2 weeks, 3 weeks, yes. And now we are back. Oh god, I don't know what my neighbor is doing. So I honestly have never regretted doing a workout, and it's the same today. I just went back and jogged at my pace, slow pace, but I did it, 10 kilometers, and we're back and we're feeling good. Honestly speaking, I cannot begin to tell you how amazing it is. And if you want to begin your journey, please, I promise you're not going to regret it. Yes, the beginning is painful. The body will be tested. You will be tested mentally, spiritually, physically, and there will be a lot of pain, a lot of transition with your body, but that's exactly what you want to happen, because ultimately you want your body to restore itself, to heal itself. You want those things that you no longer need, your body no longer needs to be released, to not be stored. And I believe overall you will be able to enjoy the fruits of your consistency and your endurance throughout the time. So yeah, we are back on the challenge and we never left really. I've been eating healthy, just not running. And of course, the brain, when it's engaged, it also burns a bit of calories. So not the same as running, but it does also do its thing. So yeah, there's time for everything, and we're back on the challenge. We never left actually, because this is our 4th month since January began. I don't remember the last time I tested or weighed myself, but stick around. In this video, we are going to measure our weight. Actually, not just our weight. We are going to check our overall health. And I will be here to give you every single gist of it. And if you are ready for baby number 2 or not, either way, I'm going to do that review by the end of this video, and you'll be able to see it, and you'll be able to maybe get inspired to start your own health journey. Oh, please don't forget to hit subscribe. It really does help a lot, and I'm really grateful for all my returning subscribers to watch my videos. Please make sure to leave a comment. It does communicate to YouTube that there's activity on this particular channel so that they can push it to even more people. I love you guys. Keep watching. Hi guys, we started phase 2 of 75 hard challenge sometime in the middle of the month of March, but I have been terribly failing in this challenge and I feel like I need to start all over again. Now here's the thing, I was very faithful the first 10 days of the second phase challenge, and to be honest, I was eating healthy, I was exercising, I was doing my 3 runs a week and stretching afterwards to make sure I do not get injuries. However, my exams were approaching so fast and I had not sufficiently studied for the exams, and so I paused the physical exercises completely and focused only on studying for my exams and of course eating clean. And eating clean, sometimes when you know you're not engaging physically, or for some reason your mind is not on the challenge, you of course end up eating unhealthy here and there. And while I did not fall off the wagon completely when it came to diet, I feel like I've been quite relaxed, and today we are on 17th. And the last time I actually was fully in the challenge was 31st of March. That means I was only faithful for about 10 days to the second phase. So I have thought about it deeply, intensely, in depth. And honestly speaking of starting over the challenge did not feel very good. But I am not a quitter. So I've decided that today is 19th, and from tomorrow 20th, we are starting over the second phase of 75 hard challenge. This is the second challenge, and I hope I'll be able to finish because I don't have that much time. I honestly don't even know if I'm going to finish the second phase, but I want you to stay with me. Encourage me here. Subscribe to this particular channel. It has become my journal, literally, for these workouts and to this challenge, to be specific. So, because I've not been faithful with many things, that would be physical exercises and reading, because also the reading I was doing was basically for exams, so of course that counts. So I halted reading my previous book, so I haven't even completed that. So I want to start over the challenge, and I hope that you can start over with me. Not everything is usually perfect. Life happens, and it's happening to me right now, and I really do want to continue. In the last 75 hard challenge phase 1, I was able to lose a good amount of weight. That's about 8 to 9 kgs, and that's quite a lot. That's a lot of exercises. I went through a transition of uncomfortable and irregular menstrual cycle that had me experience menses twice a week in the first 75 hard challenge. Now that has come to kind of literally come down. I don't know if it's because I've literally been away from out of the challenge for a bit, but I really hope that this time around it's going to get better. So join me in this particular one. Here is a bit of running that I did during that time that we started this second phase. But I am hoping that you can start with me this second phase now, the second attempt again. I love you guys, and I hope that you stay with me. And I hope that this time around I'll be able to lose about, is it maybe 10 or maybe 10 kgs this time around. I don't know if it's going to be possible, but let's find out together. Okay, so between 20th and I don't know when will they end. Please type in the comment section when you think from April 20th, when my second attempt of second phase 75 hard challenge should end. Stay with me. I love you guys. Hit subscribe and let me hear you in the comment section. So this is what we're going to do in the second phase 75 hard challenge. Okay, I am very booby, by the way. Not all of it is fat. Anyway, is that just me trying to explain to you guys why I have some fatty armpits? Anyways, it's what the weight does. Yeah, when you have a lot of weight, but I've never really had small boobs. I don't think that's ever going to happen. It's one of those things that I have come to like about my body. You can't lack everything. At least if you have the front and you lack the back, you have something to show for where the back went. But after working out in the first challenge, I realized it's actually, my little bum is actually coming back, which is a good thing. All right, away from that, here's a few things to expect in this second trial of 75 hard challenge. And I will be doing 10 kilometers of run 3 days a week. That's quite doable for me. 3 days a week. 3 days a week usually is Tuesday, Wednesday, and Saturday. So the other days I am usually just doing Pilates in the evening, stretching my body to avoid the X, or a one hour HIIT workout in the evenings or in the mornings, depending on how I feel on that particular day. Then there will be reading. Of course, I am still schooling, so we have reading, and also what else? Of course, drinking a lot of water. If you're working out and you're doing that physical activity in the morning, I get to lose about 700 calories through the run. So I have to drink a lot of water to keep my body hydrated from losing a lot of water in sweating. And also I have to fuel my body properly with healthy food and no junk food. So yeah, that's basically it. Those are 3 things. And what's the 4th things? Literally connecting with my family is part of the things I must do daily. My hand is getting tired. I am a girl with muscles. By the way, I usually have muscles. Even if I lose weight, you can tell from how my body, my body is very strong. Literally, I build muscle very fast. So even when I lose my body feels toned quite well, very quickly. But right now, I'm still very struggling. It's not easy. Weight is not a good thing. So the 4th thing is literally connecting with my family. And the last thing is, what else? What is it? I've literally forgotten what that is. I will write it down for you guys. I'll write all the 5 things that I need to do daily here. I don't know why I'm forgetting that other third thing. 3 things are connected: physical exercise, drinking a lot of water, fueling my body physically. Those are 3, all right? And then the 4th thing is literally what did I say? What the hell? Am I pregnant? Only a pregnant mind does this. Anyway, 3 things are connected. I work out, I drink enough water, 3 to 4 liters, and then I eat, fueling my body properly. I connect with my family. That's the 4th thing. And the 5th thing is reading my book or studying, whichever it is I wake up feeling. But I have a goal to at least read 2 books away from my studies. I don't know if that's going to be possible. We're halfway there. I'm barely done with the first book, which I'm hoping I'll be done with this particular second challenge. But yeah, so those are the 5 things that we're doing in this particular phase challenge. Do all those 5 things daily, and that's away from your work. Of course, your work, you're engaged with that throughout the day, but now you have to make time to do those 5 things for yourself. All right, are you with me? Let me see you in my challenge together with you. Let's do this together. This channel isn't just mine, it is yours too. I come here to reflect. I hope you do the same for yourself.